We begin with breaking news tonight. A levee break, fears of new flooding and evacuations underway right now. This all coming after a week that seen dangerous flooding across the south suburbs and into northwest Indiana.
Tonight's emergency is along the Kankakee River in Jasper County near DeMont. Eric Hong is there live.
Alan and Kathy, first responders are preparing for potential boat rescues here in the Ramses Road subdivision near DeMont. We're told 30 to 40 houses are in harm's way at this point as those waters continue to rise. The problem started around mid-afternoon with a relatively small breach of the riverbank. This is the natural barrier of the Kankakee River, not man-made. Sandbags and heavy equipment were brought in, but the breach only got bigger, growing to at least 30 feet wide. By nightfall, the rising water had started to surround some homes. First responders have been warning nearby residents to leave. Some have complied, but most have chosen to stay. So boats are being kept at the ready in case those residents have to be rescued.
Get out. That's my message. Get out. I mean, you're in there. You're not going to save your home at this point, and all you're doing is endangering the lives of the first responders.
It's been touch and go the last couple of days for people who live along the Kankakee River in northwest Indiana. After the river crested at record levels at various points, those levels have not really gone down, and it's been a bit of a waiting game with more rain in the forecast this weekend. Here in this subdivision, those first responders are preparing to be here through the morning. Officials say it's hard to know exactly how much higher the water is going to go. Live in unincorporated Jasper County, Eric Hong, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
All right, Eric.
Right there, the break.
Floodwaters threatening homes in northwest Indiana after a levee breaks on the Kankakee River.
These new drone photos show the water surrounding many homes. Evacuations started late yesterday as the river reached record levels. The broken levee is near Hebron in Jasper County. That's about 60 miles southeast of downtown Chicago.
And the utility company is shutting off gas to homes in the area, fearing an explosion. The river is expected to crest later in the week, so emergency responders are encouraging families to find temporary homes.
It's just a waiting game. It's really it's a sad situation, and it's just not a lot we can do at this point. Kind of feeling helpless.
The levee break started small yesterday afternoon, but later began surrounding homes, forcing some residents to evacuate.
Good morning. Reporting with the Region News Team, I'm Steve Zana. We are at a rather familiar landmark in northwest Indiana. I'll raise it up. This is the old Marty's Landing, as you will see. And as I swing around here, this is the bridge at Marty's Landing. I'm going to start with the view out to the west. There are a number of people kind of sightseeing here today, as it were. And we're along the bridge, and as you can see, this is the rush of water that's going along, heading westward off of Marty's Landing. But that's not really what kind of the shocking part of all of this is this morning. As we turn it around and come the other way, look what has collected behind us this morning. This is the amount of debris that is here. Another gentleman pointed out, you can see there's a kayak in the middle of that, and I'm going to try to maybe come over here and get you a good view. Look at that. That is the amount of debris without dropping my phone. Let's see if I can get that. Look at that. That's the amount of debris at the bridge this morning, and there are any number of people coming down here. One gentleman I talked to over here said he's not seen anything like this in 20 years, and this woman here pulled up. You doing some sightseeing this morning on all of this? We're live at our Region News Team this morning. What's your name? Where are you from?
Anna Daniels from Wheatfield.
As the American flag flies behind us back here. Anna, have you ever seen anything like this before?
No, never. It's crazy.
Now, they're telling me if I head down this way and turn right or turn left, I might get to where the levee has been breached here today.
Yeah, on 400.
Is that where it's at?
Yeah.
So I go down here and to the left, I could probably...
Yeah, the road is closed. It says it's closed. I didn't even go because the ditches were so full I didn't even chance it.
Wonderful. Well, be safe. How did your home make out in all of this?
Yeah, we're great.
Good.
Great.
It's good to hear. Good to hear.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you.
All right, reporting with the Region News Team, I'm Steve Zana.